Hey there, moms of kindergartners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Jolly Phonics, a fun and effective way to teach your little ones the basics of reading. Jolly Phonics is a popular method that helps children learn to read by focusing on the sounds that letters make. It's a great way to get kids excited about reading, and it's also a fantastic tool for teaching them the alphabet. As a kindergarten mom, you can use Jolly Phonics to make learning fun and engaging for your child. The method uses a combination of actions, songs, and games to help children remember the sounds of each letter. In this lesson plan, we provide a structured approach for mothers to teach their kindergarten children the alphabet in Jolly Phonics order. Warm-up, 5 minutes. Sing a Jolly Phonics song or rhyme. Play a guessing game related to letters or sounds. Letter introduction, 10 minutes. Introduce a new letter according to the Jolly Phonics order. Please note, introduce one new letter per day. Phonics letters in order. Don't forget to check the above letters sounds with rhymes. Teach the letters sound and associated action. Practice saying the sound and performing the action. Phonics practice, 15 minutes. Use Jolly Phonics storybooks to read stories containing the new letter. Play games like I Spy or Sound Bingo to reinforce the letter sound. Practice writing the letter in the air, on a whiteboard, or on paper. Letter crafts, 15 minutes. Engage in a craft activity related to the letter. Examples: making a letter shape with Play-Doh, coloring a letter picture. Discuss the letter's appearance and any associated words. Review and consolidation, 10 minutes. Review the letters and sounds learned so far. Play a game to reinforce letter recognition and sounds. Encourage children to practice the letters and sounds independently. Additional tips. Make learning fun and engaging by using rhymes, songs, and games. Encourage children to practice the letters and sounds regularly throughout the day. Celebrate their progress and achievements. Adjust the lesson plan to suit your child's individual learning style and pace. By following this lesson plan, mothers can effectively teach their kindergarten children the alphabet in Jolly Phonics order, laying a strong foundation for future reading and writing skills. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, learning should always be a joyful experience for your little ones. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks. Until next time, happy learning!